Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to my shop. Up here, we have various plastics for machining and cutting for the chassis, which this is how many of the trucks start out, well, all of them. We use plastics, plexiglass, steel. We use various brake lines, angle, and many others. Here we have the table with the heavier machinery. We got the drill press, vise, and cut-off saw to machine the plastics to the sizes that we need. Over here we have the tires. Once we have everything machined, we obviously put the tires on them so that they're what we call rollers. And here we have a company vehicle that was kind of beat up. We're working on it right now. Broke the whole axle tube off. Here we have the paint station, which has assorted paints and all that kind of stuff. And over here are my tools. On my Snap-on toolbox, we got the sockets, 1/4 inch, 3/8 half. Then here's the table where all the assembling is done. We just assemble the trucks right here once we have all the parts machined. And then here we have a chassis that all the pieces are cut. We just need to braze them together. Once they're brazed, then we can work on the axles. And then we have, this is the picture that we're going off of for the chassis. Up here we have the motors. Here we have our radios. We have some assorted links for the 4 links. And then here we have our computer, which we go online, obviously, with. Then here we have a giant, about 30-pound chassis. As you can see, it's quite large. Old man helped me raise it up.
I heard that.
And then over here we have the table of the finished projects. Here is the smaller class, which we call 2.2 due to the tire size. They have many limits, such as your wheelbase and track width, and front steering only for that class. Then we have super class, which you can have just about anything. The only limit is that you have, if you have a tube chassis, full panels, you can have 4-wheel steering. On this one you can see, well, we have a 4-wheel steering. It's set up for larger tires and basically just about pushing it to the limits. And here we have just a daily driver truck. Beater truck, front wheel steering only. It's about the size of the super class. And of course, gotta have the Ford. Oh, it's for you, Brett. This is how I roll.